Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in downtown Kingston and we are on Camp Road. We're going to give you an update on the new 10-story building that's being built by the old Palace Theatre. So that is the site on the left. You can see that yellow wall is actually what's left of the Palace Theatre now. And behind it is where the building is going up. Now this building is one of 3 10-story buildings being built in downtown Kingston. You have the K2 apartments which are being built. You have this building which is also 10 floors, and then you have the Bank of Jamaica's second tower, which they haven't started yet, but it's going to be 10 floors. And I must say this building is moving quickly. The last time we were out here, it wasn't so tall. Alright guys, this is just a quick update video. We will give you a drone tour later this week. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.